So now we start by cooking up the ground elk meat. I put Salt Lake City salt, extra virgin olive oil, chili flakes, a little bit of black pepper. I will add the barbecue sauce once I've seared the meat fully. You could simmer it in the sauce, but I want to do it a different way this time. Now the meat is at the proper cooking temperature and is thoroughly cooked, and I will combine the sauce in there now. Now the sauce is in there, the honey barbecue sauce that is. So we will let this simmer for a little bit longer so that the meat absorbs the sauce, and then we will put it on the buns. So now it is fully done. We got the buns, cheese, and the barbecue ground elk. So you just put the meat on the buns, put the cheese on there, then stick it in the oven till the cheese melts. It toasts the bun, and then you bring it out and voila, it's ready to go. Super good. And the cheese is Munster cheese.